Hi guys, and welcome to day 25 of my 28-day face yoga series, and I'm so proud of you for reaching day 25 with me. Today's session is all about lifting, softening and waking up the face naturally, and if your face feels tired, puffy or dull, these exercises are going to bring back that fresh sculpted glow. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin today's self-care ritual. And we start by applying a facial oil on our face. I use rosehip seed oil. You can take any facial oil or serum that suits your skin and that helps you do your exercises smoothly. Do apply something on your face before we begin the routine. First exercise, forehead upward massage. Using your fingers, massage your forehead in an upward stroke. Start from the center of your forehead and reach till your hairline. Starting between the eyebrows, gliding my fingers towards the hairline. Keep repeating this exercise. Apply gentle pressure while you are doing it. This exercise helps release forehead tension, smoothen fine lines, and relax the facial muscles. Keep patience while doing these exercises because they are slow and they require steady, stable hands and movements. Very controlled movement here. You can't rush these exercises. You have to do them slowly and feel the pressure while you are doing it. You have to give these minutes to your face every day. Just a few more seconds and we are done. Second exercise, circle between eyebrows. Using your finger, make gentle circular motions between your eyebrows. See how I'm making small circles? We have done this exercise a lot of times. If you have been doing it with me since day one, you know this exercise. You are an expert at it already. This exercise helps soften frown lines and relax stress held in this area. Very powerful yet very easy to do. Keep the pressure gentle and make small circles with your finger. Just a few more seconds. Third exercise, circles around eyes. Move your fingers in soft circular motion around your eyes. Starting from the center, make a circle around your eyes. Keep the pressure gentle and keep making circles around your eyes. Make sure your fingers are gliding smoothly over your skin. If not, then reapply facial oil or serum, whatever you were using. I will keep reminding you to do so because we cannot rub our skin. Facial skin is very delicate, so fingers have to glide smoothly over the skin. We can't be harsh. This exercise helps reduce puffiness, improve circulation and refresh tired looking eyes. 10 seconds. Almost done. And we are done. Fourth exercise, cheekbone lifting. Make a V shape with your index finger and your middle finger. Place them on your cheeks. Try to smile while you're doing it and gently resist the movement with your fingers. You see, I'm applying pressure with my fingers on my cheeks, very gentle pressure. I'm trying to smile. At the same time, I'm trying to restrain that smile using the pressure created by my finger on my cheeks. And you have to keep repeating it. Smile, resist the smile and back. Then again I'm smiling again. I'm trying to restrain that smile and coming back to normal. So you have to keep smiling again and again and restraining that smile with your fingers. This exercise helps lift the cheeks and define the cheekbones naturally. Almost done. Next exercise, cheek to ear pull. Place your fingers near your cheeks and gently pull outwards towards your temples. Just see how I'm doing it and keep repeating the exercise with me. Once again, I'm reminding you, make sure your fingers are gliding smoothly over your face. If there is a friction, please reapply facial oil or serum or whatever you are using. This exercise helps relax facial tension and gives a sculpted appearance to the face. Keep doing it. Just a few more seconds. Next exercise, lip corner lifting. Lift the corner of your lips upward into a soft smile. See how I'm doing it? Using my fingers, I'm making a smile. I'm lifting the corners of my mouth into a smile. And I'm applying very gentle pressure while I'm doing it. My fingers are easily gliding over my skin, helping me to create that smile. This movement helps tone the muscles around the mouth and gives the face a more lifted look. I find this exercise very fun. I like doing this one. It just makes me feel very good. It gives me a very nice lifted appearance on my cheeks after when I'm done. Just a few more seconds. And we are done. Next exercise, eyes and cheeks. Open your eyes and mouth together and then close them and repeat. Opening your eyes and mouth and close. Open your mouth wide and close. Drop your jaw, open your mouth and close. Eyes, mouth open and close. Opening again and close. We'll keep repeating this exercise. It activates multiple facial muscles together and helps improve facial firmness and energy. Don't care about how you look while you're doing these exercises. Just focus on the movement and think about the benefits you'll be getting after doing these exercises, the benefits that you will see in the long run when you keep showing up consistently every day to do these exercises. Just a few more seconds. Next exercise, mouth corners. Make a pout with your lips and roll it back into a gentle soft smile. Make a pout, stretch your lips and back to a smile. Pout again and smile. Make a pout with your lips and soft smile. We'll keep repeating this exercise now. This movement helps soften smile lines and improve muscle tone around the mouth. Make a pout, back to a smile. Keep doing it with me. You're doing amazing. You have been consistent. Today is day 25. I can't imagine how much work you have put into it every day, being consistent with these exercises. Even if you can find a little time to do these exercises every day, it's gonna benefit you a lot in the long run. Next exercise, neck lift. Lift your chin slightly upward, stretch your jaw forward, hold and release. And we will keep repeating it now. Lifting my head, lifting my chin, stretching my jaw forward, hold, release, back down. Lifting again, stretching my jaw forward, hold, release, and I'm back down. Up again, stretching my jaw forward, hold, release, come back. Keep repeating this exercise. I'll let you know when the time is up. Meanwhile, please carry on, do it. Lift your chin, stretch your jaw, hold, and come back. Keep repeating it. Last exercise, higher stretch. Place your palm one over the other, and now we'll move our head up and down. Down, and then stretching our neck, lifting our heads, look towards the ceiling. Now we are back down, stretching our neck again, looking up, back down. We'll keep repeating this movement. You can continue to do this exercise. I'll let you know when the time is up. This is the last exercise. Give it your all. Do it properly. Stretch your jaw, stretch your neck, look up, come back down. This exercise helps elongate the neck, improve posture, and reduce tension around the neck area. Keep doing the exercise. Just a few more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. And that's day 25 complete. Some days transformation feels dramatic and some days it feels quiet. But every single day you show up for yourself, your body remembers it. So keep going and keep glowing and be consistent with these exercises. And if you have not started your journey with me yet, I have a whole playlist. It has all the videos starting from day 1. I'll be tagging the playlist right here and in the description box as well. And if you have been enjoying my sessions and if you enjoy watching my videos, then give the video a like and subscribe to my channel and support me in my journey as well. Now I will see you on day 26 of the series. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.